America's only Irish station. That's what you're listening to as we look across the Meadowlands there and ponder life's mysteries here on Radio Irish, and as we experience a time and date that is truly unique and only comes around every 100 years, Bob.
Yeah, I guess it's safe to say, Sean, that neither of us will be around to celebrate the next one. 111111.
And you could add 2 more 11s, Bob, to that as we witness 11 minutes after 11 o'clock here on Radio Irish.
On today, November the 11th in the year 2011.
Making it 111111.
With the time now precisely 1111.
Yes, indeedy. Well, it's been a great pleasure, Bob, coming into the studio today and celebrating this 11111111 moment with my Radio Days friend.
Likewise, Sean, my pleasure, mate. For Radio Irish, this is Bob Gallico.
And I'm Sean McCarthy as we both sign off now.
Hey, want to grab lunch at 2:22?
Well, how about dinner at 5:55?
Right.